In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust editing on Pictory. If you've uploaded an existing video and opened it with the Edit Video using Text tool, you'll be working primarily through the generated transcript. This approach feels more like editing a document than a timeline, and it's perfect for quickly tightening a cut or removing mistakes without scrubbing through audio for hours. Once your transcript is ready, you can remove unwanted sections by simply highlighting sentences in the text and deleting them. The moment you do, Pictory automatically cuts those exact portions from the video. Think of the transcript as a map of your footage. Deleting a sentence removes the corresponding clip, including pauses and filler words attached to it. Take a moment to read the surrounding context before you delete, so transitions remain smooth and your message still flows naturally. If a section feels too abrupt after removal, try deleting a slightly larger or smaller sentence to keep the pacing consistent. You can also correct the text without touching the audio. If you see a misspelled word or a punctuation error in the transcript, right-click that word to fix it. This is especially useful if you're generating subtitles or on-screen captions from the transcript, because those corrections will display cleanly for viewers while your original audio stays exactly the same. It's a quick way to polish the text layer without re-recording or slicing audio. When it's time to prepare your video for different platforms, head to the Format tab and switch the aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 for standard YouTube and widescreen players, 9:16 for vertical platforms like TikTok or Shorts, and 1:1 for a square Instagram feed. Changing the ratio reframes your content for the destination, helping key subjects stay visible and maintaining a professional look. Make the choice that matches where you'll publish, and consider how text and visuals fit within that frame. Finally, remember that you can trim and duplicate a scene. Trimming lets you tighten the beginning or end of a segment so your story gets to the point faster. Duplicating is helpful when you want to reuse a moment for emphasis, create alternate versions, or repurpose a highlight for a different cut without rebuilding it from scratch. And that's it. By editing through the transcript, fine-tuning text where needed, adjusting your aspect ratio in the Format tab, and using trim and duplicate on scenes, you can refine your video quickly and confidently in Pictory.